Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Rinse Aid Cap. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Rinse Aid Cap. The Rinse Aid Cap covers up the reservoir for the rinse aid. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can see the detergent dispenser right here in the middle of the door. All you have to do is unlock the Rinse Aid Cap and pull it off. Here's the old Rinse Aid Cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Rinse Aid Cap in, all you have to do is push it down into place and lock it in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.